Hi guys, my name is Angel and welcome to the Makers HQ. Today I'm by myself. As you can see, my lovely wife is drawing. But anyways, this is a short video. It's just to show you we got a small order of t-shirts for someone who runs marathons and that kind of stuff, and they want us to do a t-shirt with different designs, so just more than one design. And I wanted to show you how to put all these designs together, like instead of like sublimating one at a time, if your machine is big enough, or you can actually put two designs at a time. And also how to place the design, and if you need tape, if you don't need tape, a little bit of the process, how it goes, right? So here it's the person wants this piece right here in the middle, right in the middle of the neck, and then this other one right here somewhere below, I would say below the chest, or right on the chest, I would say. So for me, in this case, my machine will just actually cover this whole section. It will just sublimate this whole thing. So what you do, or what we do, is you can measure it if you want to. In this case, I can actually see very clear where the middle is, and I don't need to measure it. So that's one, right? This is the second one. It's two. This tape is weird. This one. And then they want also on the back. So this is not gonna go anywhere. Just flip it. Look, and then they want this. They want this right here. You can see this is the back, and they want this piece somewhere around here, right? This, and then the 22, the same as the one in the front, but here. Okay, once you have everything, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sublimate the front first, and then I'm gonna do the back, because I don't want it to transfer. And also you have to put something in between, like a piece of cardboard or anything that stop the ink from transferring to the other side. So this, we're gonna start with the front and then the back, and then at the end, this one, look, this one came off the tape. And then at the end, they want the bottom right here. At the end, they want this. This is some like hashtags. This is interesting too, because you can do all of them at once. Like for example, like this: 1, 2, right, and 3, like this. So now I'm gonna go to the machine and I'm gonna show you how we do it. Okay. Okay, guys, we are at the machine. I put a small piece of cardboard in between, so it doesn't transfer to the other side, and I place the designs like we did before. I had to place them again actually, because when I brought the t-shirt, they all came off. So they are in the middle, and I'm gonna do, just because this is a sport t-shirt, is 100% poly, so the temperature doesn't have to be high. It's gonna transfer like super fast. I'm gonna do 200 Celsius or 395 Fahrenheit, 35 seconds. Okay, so I see you soon. Okay, we're back. So as you can see, I put the two designs, okay, and all this is to show you that you don't have to do one design at a time. As long as your machine can cover both designs, you're good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the back, and I'm gonna show you the other 3 designs that this person wants. Okay, we're back with the second design. This time I ran out of paper in the lint brush, so I end up using masking tape to clean it, because you have to do that before you do anything. Actually, you do this first, you brush it, and then you press it like 5 seconds, and then you add your designs on it. That's what I did. And again, I have the cardboard in between so it doesn't transfer. And that's it. The temperature and everything remains the same. Okay? So I shall see you in 30 seconds. Okay, we are ready. So this is the second design on the same shirt. And ta-da! Wow, so nice. It's hot. And next, we're gonna do the last design, which is like the 3 hashtags right at the end of, right here at the bottom of the t-shirt, like all the way down here. So see you soon. Okay, so we're back for the last 3 designs, the tiny hashtags, and this is hot. And 1, 2, and 3. So that's it. This is how the shirt looks like. You can do as many designs as you want, all at the same time, all of them at the same time. See the 3 hashtags? They look super nice. And yeah, it takes more time, obviously, but it's done in just whatever time you take, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever it is. The only thing that takes time is figuring out, like putting the design straight and in the middle, and all that takes time. For real, it's annoying, but it's how it is, it's what it is. And well, I hope you guys like this video. It's something different. In the next one, I'm gonna be with my lovely wife, and that's it. I see you in the next one.